Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I have a quick show and tell video for you, and this is my April Graphics Fairy Mixed Media and Collage Design Team project, and I created a few domino pendants using some of the domino pendant collage images, and there are several beautiful sheets available on the Graphics Fairy premium membership site. And I'm just going to give you a little idea of what you can do. These three are created with a resin sealer, and there is a tutorial on the Graphics Fairy premium website for that as well, the resin. And this one I've actually put a little bit of the coarse glitter in the resin while it was drying, just for a little added embellishment. You just glue on a bail on the back and you can put it on any chain that you like. But if you don't want to work with resin, you can use any paper sealers available. Mod Podge, an Artist Matte Medium, Glossy Accents. There's a product called Diamond Glaze, which is, I feel like it's a little bit between Glossy Accents and resin in between, and I do like that one. My go-to is Collage Podge, glossy and matte, depending on the look that you want. So I'll give you an idea of what you get with each one. This is with the Glossy Accents. I hope you can see that. And while it was wet, I just put a little rhinestone there and a little sprinkle of glitter, and then it's glued on. For these, I didn't glue a bail on. I drilled a little hole in the top, added an ice screw and a jump ring to be able to put that on a chain. This one is the Collage Podge Glossy, and so that gives you a nice little smooth glossy finish. And this I glued the rhinestone on after the sealer was dry. And one of my favorites is the Collage Podge Matte, because I do like, especially with a vintage looking image, I don't want a lot of shine. So I just do a few coats and let them dry in between, and usually about 3 or so coats of the matte. And it is nice and protected, and it gives it that nice look. That one also has the ice screw. And then these two, I have not turned into pendants because I am going to be doing an upcoming tutorial for the Graphics Fairy Premium membership site on how to use the dominoes as covers for mini journals. And I'll just quickly show you the two that I've created so far. Well, there is a video of these on the Graphics Fairy YouTube, and I will add that link down below if you want to check that out. But the tutorial on how to make those is coming up shortly, and we'll be doing a bird theme. I'm going to show you a couple of the collage sheets that I printed out. I love this Halloween one. And we've got Shakespearean Ladies, and then the bird one, which is one of my favorites. And that is just a small sample of what's available. The other thing I wanted to tell you is, also on the design team is Wendy from Wendy's Journal Adventures, Kelly from Book and Paper Arts, and TJ Floyd, who is an absolutely amazing polymer clay artist. So if you don't know them, I am going to put their links to their channels down below so you can check out their work. So that's it, just a quick little overview of one of the very easy projects you could do with some of the images from the Graphics Fairy premium website. And these, I think, would be really fun for like a kid's party for them to make, because it's so easy, really, and or give as gifts. But next time you're at a flea market or a thrift store or even Target, you can use the newer plastic ones. Pick up the dominoes. Once you start looking for them, you're going to see them everywhere. At least I do. Anyway, thanks again for watching, guys. I hope everyone's doing well, and I'll see you back here again real soon.